This is an Mvvs Modela Junior 2 diesel model airplane engine. It's 2 cc's displacement, or about 0.12 cubic inches. I got the engine to run pretty well, as you'll see in the video that follows. However, I think it's missing a venturi insert that restricts the intake area. I've included a couple of photos of other Junior 2 engines here that clearly show a venturi insert in place. You may have noticed that the engine demanded that the fuel tank be located significantly above the spray bar height. That's unusual for a diesel or any model airplane engine, and another indication that it needs that venturi insert. I'll try and locate a replacement, or failing that, I have a metal lathe and I will make an insert to fit it.